It likes 6th gear at like 70 at motorway speed, but if I'm just like doing 60 and 6 and I put my foot down, it's like nothing even happens. But in 5th at 60 it pulls. It's obviously like the revs are higher. Oh my god, that was a big pull. Jesus Christ. Boys, my car is worthy of the road, right? The road isn't worthy of this car. Some backwards knowledge there. Volkswagen Golf. No, it's not, it's a Jetta. Jetta. He's gone to pull over. -3°C. What? Yeah, I'm definitely going home in a second. My car's gonna bloody get hypothermia. It's gonna fall out of me. Yeah, bun pulling over there. Oh, can we do a little cheeky overtake over here? It would work, I'm just not risking it over a blind hill. Like, I'm not that inconsiderate. It's also a bit diabolical going 35. On a real, bro.
Grips on your legs, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away. Even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love.
Right, enough of that. Ooh. I'm gonna say you can well fit. I need to dance. I would not want to live on that big fucking uphill driveway on a main road next to a 40 in a second. Sorry, 50, that's not even 40.
Me and you, we are not letting January blues be a thing this year, okay? This could be you.
Right, no, because do you know what actually does my head in? Bloody radios, they just talk and absolute waffle for no apparent reason. Like, who actually like turns the car on and then goes, yeah, I want to listen to these podcasts, like, or like just people talking. Like, no, like, on a real. Come to listen to music, not just people talking in the background. If I wanted that, I'd call a friend. Just like, what we're doing. Tell you what, it's going faster than regular traffic though. That was nice. Look at him taking Apex. Dirty driver. Tell you what, Winter Wonderland has hit. Will my mirrors even unfold? Oh, that was painful. Has that one done anything? Oh yeah, it has. Should we do a cold start on the Batmobile? Fuck. Got snow in the car. Shit. Now we need the heated seats on. Oh my lord. To be fair, that was a bit easy, wasn't it? Jesus. Right. Bloody hell. Gonna be here for a while, just trying to let it defrost. Let's do a little cold start. Oh my god, that's a bad idea again. Oh, bad idea again. Right. This ain't no diesels, but -7.5. Oh no, that was sweet. That was chilling. That started up easy. It's nearly ready to go. It's nearly warmed up. My lord, we're gonna have to put everything on heat. Rear, front, mirrors. We're going to freeze in this motor. Oh God, what is going on? Right, tell you guys what, because we've been waiting here for the thing to fucking defrost, and it's done something, but I'm gonna have to get a towel and just give it a quick brush, because my lord, oh, I'm a bit scared about this, you know, going down. No, that's fine, plenty of traction. Hey, you got little icicles nearly. Right, towel's coming out. Which one? This one will do. This one will do. Oh. We don't even need the lights, do we? But just in case, give it a little. Oh, I don't even know if that's the outside, inside. Where even is this? Oh, bro, this is not the right equipment for this. Mate, my hands are going to be ice sticks by the end of this. Oh my. I don't think I've done anything, to be honest with you. I'm just going to stop. Oh, and get back inside. Before my hands completely freeze off in this negative 7.5 degrees. Oh. Right, let's not roll off the mountain. My car's absolutely smoking its head off. It's not happy with me. So far the brakes will be working whilst we're on here. It's just I don't want to go too fast and then roll. Right, shut up. I'm not gonna have to get out and wipe my fucking sensors, am I? I bloody am as well. Oh, give it a break. Right, no, that's actually annoying. Oh, you're dramatic. There's nothing even on them. Oh, no, because being out there for a second is just... My hands, I can't feel them again. That was instant. As long as we get away from cars and civilization. Yeah, that's the braking distance is definitely slowed down. So let's just try to give it a little break. Yeah, sick that. Tell you what, there's a car park somewhere around here. You best believe what we're doing. Or if you can at least. An idea, I've got an idea. Got an idea. Oh, either way, the good old golf has to warm up first before we treat it unfairly. Oh, it's a taxi, of course he's going to stop in bloody, what's it called, cycle box. When do they not? When do they not? I swear they're half cyclist, half pedestrian, because they just pull over and stop wherever they want to. They're a bit crazy, them boys. I can't even see if there's a green light or not. It's going to be some unusable footage. Why's my bloody that thing open? This is peak British weather for you. After Christmas as well. Not even on Christmas. Would have been lovely. Don't fancy curbing these wheels either. Oh, that's so... Oh yeah, no, that's slippy that. Watch this. Right, get it in neutral, brake. Braking who? Braking Bluetooth, like wireless. This is mega. It's getting nice and toasty in this cabin though, yeah. If I were to brake now, I'd go straight that way. There's only a river and a tree. I reckon for this road hump we should just start braking now. Yeah, tell you what, if that was asphalt instead of gravel, that would be a spot. That would be so good, but it's not. So we can't. Traction control's just not happy. What if we just whack in here, right? Oh, look, I've got an idea. Yes, see. Off. No, that's activate. What are we doing? We want that off. We don't want traction helping us. Okay, maybe we do, because that is a bit stupid, that. That is so much fun though. I like that back on. Let's be a bit sensible now. Because it's like 9:45, so there's gonna be, you already know there's gonna be someone that's come up here for a dog walk. Like, there's a car up there, and he's definitely just said like, yeah, it's fine, I'm gonna go for a dog walk at this time and be chilling. But I don't know any car parks that's like around here. Don't know, I don't, but I don't. Tell you what, I can go left and right pretty nice. It's just coming to brake and it's just a bit non-existent, or acceleration at that point. Obviously this ain't no rear wheel drive, is it now? It's a Golf, end of the day, but it'd be fun. It'd honestly be fun. Even my radio signals left the chat. Drop a gear, disappear. All revs, no bite. Is this ice or am I tripping? That's great. There's not even ice up here, snow up here. Oh, what a letdown. What a letdown. Nah, I tell you what. Fuck off. If Doris wasn't here, I'd be doing one of these, holding that up. But someone's not going to be happy with me if I keep doing that. If you were to jump in front of my car as I'm passing him, there's not even a point in me braking. Like, honestly. Should give him a little wave. Say welcome to Burnley. What, Danny bro, he didn't even... No thumbs up. Love the dedication, but not the attitude. He's smiling though. Maybe a little, but it's manageable. Like, I'm steering, it's going the way I want it to go. If a car were to come now, even he won't be going fast anyway, so it's fine. Please tell me this car park's open. It is as well. Right, should be a bit of a cunt and try 9th of December for one day. I tell you what, this was sketch. If my car starts rolling backwards now, I'm finished. Is there even a point of going up here though, like on a reel? Oh fuck, there isn't, as though. Shit. No, there actually isn't any point though. It's where we're gonna get stranded. No, but like seriously, right? We're gonna have to like power through this now because we've committed to it. And if that guy comes rolling head first into me, we are fucked. Was that pond frozen over? Aye. 10 I'll go on it. Not with a car. How much weight? Nah, that can't hold a lot of weight. Imagine there's a duck underneath there. Right now they're actually all in the corner though, where there's a little bit of like wetness. Poor people. You didn't pay your rent, that's what happens. Eviction. This is he's mocking me right there. See that bird right there? He's mocking it. Nah, because there's gonna be some woman right that's like proper offended by me going in circles. And she's gonna just get a picture of my registration and just report me to the council or straight to police. And that's not gonna be no fun for anyone, is it? Exactly like that. See, now the back end's come out. That was sick. The back end come out as we do. Come on, car. A boy's gonna be a boy at the end of the day, innit? The Golf is getting spun. That is so much fun. Proper sliding it now. The turbo's gonna blow up as well. See, no one even knows I'm doing anything wrong. Because I'm not. It's actually such a shame this isn't like all-wheel drive at least. Now we found the tactic. You just have to let go of the gas last second and then you're doing donuts. Okay, we slid a little bit too far then. Someone's gonna come to me fucking window and be like, "Oi, what are you doing?" There's a car here as well. Right, we're gonna stop with that because someone is gonna report me very soon. Watch me go home and just go on Marketplace, right? Look for the first BMW. Won't lie, bit of a failed mission. The snow is starting to just vanish into thin air. Obviously it's starting to melt. It is like, well, to be fair, it is 0 Celsius, so it is just starting to melt. We tried. Turns out I took a video from exterior and it doesn't look the best at all. We're not even sliding, we're just insert clip. Like, that is not sliding. That is just not sliding, so hopefully there's more snow. We have to send that a bit harder because there was no angle, to be honest with you, so unfortunately.